So here's the fruit. And this is sister of Altena. Not many seeds. But yeah, let's remove it. I don't want to rip it out, so I'll get me a scissor and cut it out. It's always at the other part of the garden. All right. Trying to cut it right here to make sure. Well, it's off. It isn't how I planned it, but it got off without causing an injury, which is important. There it is. Father is a ragged Uwe Kahler hybrid. Really interesting cross. Not many seeds. You can see there's like a lot of pulp and very few seeds, but these are good, so I'll sow these out.